In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make a trellis just like this, but for a lot less. Now you can see this one's going for over $50, but there's definitely cheaper alternatives, and you can build one for as low as $5. I started off by ripping these boards down that were 6 inches wide into about 3/4 of an inch each. Now what I recommend is definitely use red cedar or any type of cedar when you're building these trellises, and you can see you can get them from anywhere around $4 to $5 each. The great thing about making a DIY trellis is that you can make it totally customizable to whatever dimension you want. For this instance, I was making them for my mom, and she requested that I make them 13 inches at the top and 5 inches at the bottom. Now this is totally up to you. You can go as wide as you want at the top and as skinny as you want at the bottom. Before I started to glue and nail these down, I just wanted to make sure that they were all spaced evenly. At this point, you can add in more horizontals if you feel that that is not enough. For the nails, I used 18 gauge brad nails that were 1 inch long. And now brad nails are totally optional. You can definitely get away with using regular nails. And even with glue, you do not have to glue these down. I think the nail would have been just fine. There you have it, guys. There's the finished product. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out, lets me know you guys enjoying these videos. And you can see these trellises can be used anywhere, from your vegetable garden to your flowers to anywhere you want.